This is Cindy Presgraves with Cindy's Realty Group by Virtual Properties Realty here in the state of Georgia, and I'm showing you today Park Walk at Linear. So these houses are beautiful. The house that I'm going to show you is a model home. It's a 5-bedroom, 3 bathrooms, and it's beautiful, amazing. So I'm going to show you the features that I like. So look at the this is the outside of the house. So it has a 2-car garage. It's on a slab. It doesn't have a basement, but it has a beautiful Princess Tower. I know it's a turret, but it's one of my favorite things. So I'm going to want to show you about a little bit of the community. It does have a community pool, and it has other amenities as well, but I want you to be outside. So look. So this is the model home. Like I said, this one is a 5-bedroom, 3 bathrooms, and I'm gonna give you a tour. Right now, for the month of May, they have really good deals. So this is I'm showing this for a client as well. So I just want to show you how beautiful it's in the inside. And we're walking into the door, and you see the lake there, the sign, reef. All right, so when we walk into the house, we have on the left side, we have a beautiful formal dining room. So it does sit up to 12 people. So if you have a big family, this would be just perfect. I love this area. I also have on my right side, walking to the office, there is Autumn there. She's awesome. And you can actually make this into a sitting room. You can make this into an office, a family room. You can do whatever you want with it. And walking a little bit further into the house, we have a bathroom. So the bathroom connects actually with a bedroom downstairs. So it's the only bedroom downstairs. I'm gonna show you this. Yes, you're actually using it for model and samples. So it's a pretty large room. And this bedroom connects with the living room. Pretty spacious living room. Really nice stage. I love that decoration. Look at this beautiful home. So this is on the first floor. So we have the living room here. Look at this. Beautiful. It has a fireplace, gas fireplace. So it has a gas stove. This is the casual dining area, and it connects to the outside. So here in the kitchen, we have granite countertops. I love the granite countertops. Look at this. And we have a full sink. So, and then we also have a really nice faucet. And the faucet actually pulls out. You see that? And turns on. And it also has a garbage disposal, which I love. And the dishwasher. And the backsplash. Take a look at this backsplash. Keep in mind that not all the properties are the same. So the gas stove has 5 burners. So this is the grill in the middle. It has the oven too. And it seems like, hey, you want to steam clean it? Add water, a cup of water. That's another detail feature that they have. And they actually are offering... So for the month of May, they're actually offering a moving packet. This might change for June. Keep in mind, I'm just a realtor for the state of Georgia, and I'm not representing the builder. I would be representing you as a buyer. So I'm going to show you here the refrigerator. It's a 2 side-by-side door. Yes, it is filled with water right now. And look at this. This would be the refrigerator that they include. And take a look at this. So it has a door alarm, water filter, water crush, cube light. It has all the features of regular, especially with this hot weather. So now we're looking at the pantry, walk-in pantry. I'm going to go in there. See, I'm walking inside so you can see that I fit inside the pantry. So take a look at this. Okay. So you have the microwave too. Well, it's probably a convection oven. Yep, it is a convection oven. It's nice. I'm going to open it up so you can take a look at it. Nope, it's not a convection oven. My bad. So it has all the features, regular oven. It also has a hood, vent fan, and more cabinetry. So now we're going, so this door on my left side, it is the entry for the garage. So I am going to walk into the garage, especially, I like this because it actually connects directly from the house to the garage. And especially when you're unloading groceries, believe me, that saves you a lot of time and a lot of back and forth. Okay, so now I'm closing this door, and now I am going to show you the upstairs. And from the garage door, I can still have easy access from the house, from the kitchen, from the casual dining room, and from the living room. I can actually go into the formal dining room. Voila! Okay, see? Especially if you have activities or anything, you're coming back and forth. All right, so now I'm going to go upstairs. But before I go upstairs, I do want to show you the railing. Look how detailed and beautiful this is. Oh, okay, so then now the stairs are carpet. Upstairs is carpet, downstairs is hardwood floor. And I'll verify that too. So walking upstairs, I'll go to my right side. I see the little, I see the bedroom. It's very spacious. You can actually fit in this bedroom. You can actually fit a queen size bed, full twin, really nice. And you have a 3 view, which I love this. This is where the tower is. I keep on saying the tower, but I really like the tower look, or the turret. So, and it has a closet. The closets are pretty roomy in this area, in this floor plan, which is really nice. Okay. Now I'm gonna walk into the next door. So by this bedroom, we have a bathroom, full bathroom. So we have, see, has a toilet there. You got lots of space to store stuff too. That's very, very important, especially when you're moving in. My gosh. Yes. So now we have the tub and shower combo. So it has a regular tub, but you can still soak in it and relax for a long day, after a long day. Okay. So now we have the third bedroom. Here you can actually fit a bunk bed with a trundle. You can fit here a queen size bed, twin, full, you name it, you can actually fit it. And it also has a closet in here. Oh, and I'm going to show you something. So looking from this room, if you look at that house, that's not a house, that's a community center, and it has a pool and a playground, which is awesome. And then there in the back, you can actually go check your mail. All right, so now walking out the third bedroom. This is one of the areas that I fell in love most in this floor plan. I love this. So look at this. This is a loft. And in this loft, you can actually have family time. Instead of making all your messes downstairs, you can actually bring them upstairs and keep them upstairs. So in this case, what I'm saying with that is you can actually have like a playroom, man cave, family time. You can actually put in a TV. Hey, you know what? Probably 65-inch TV there would go really, really nice. And this would be like a relaxing area just to spend time with your family, reading books, whatever you want to do, even a craft space. So this is one of my favorite areas of this floor plan. Okay, so now after that floor plan, keep on walking, and I'm going to see the master bedroom. Master bedroom is really roomy, really spacey. So we have this, look, you can actually put a sitting room, and then you have the king bed in there, and it has a fan. Keep in mind, new construction, it doesn't have fans in all bedrooms. So that's why I keep on mentioning the fan part too. So now that we are in the master bedroom, we are going to walk into the master bathroom. Walking to the master bathroom, we have his and hers. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Then it's connected with the walk-in closet. So if you think this is not enough space, I have a company. It's called Closet by Design here in Atlanta, and they go anywhere in Georgia. And they have amazing like organizing space. So if you think this is not enough, believe me, I can connect you with someone. So here we have, then leaving that, then we have the toilet there, making sure that's there. And then we have the walk-in shower in there, and it's tiled, which is really, really nice. I really love this area. And then we have the soaking towel tub, especially after a long day of work. Believe me, that's somewhere I want to be at, especially with bubble bath. You have the bath bombs and all that. Hey, we all need that from time to time, right? To keep our sanity. All right, so now we have the laundry room. What I love about this is that you have 4 bedrooms upstairs, and imagine where is everybody going to be putting their laundry? Are they going to be putting it in there? Of course they are. And you don't have to come up and down, up and down. So this is one of the best floor plans that there are. I mean, I have that also in my house, and I love it. Okay, so now we walk into the 5th bedroom. This is a bigger room. You can probably fit here a king size bed, depending on how, but I would say queen would be the biggest I would put in here. And you can just walk into the closet in here. So you have a lot of space in there. So take a look at this bedroom. All right. So like I said, I love this floor plan. This is I'll have to check to see, but this is my favorite place in the of the house. I mean, it's really good. It's really like, it feels like really family type. And I mean, hey, if you have any questions, let me go ahead and just check to see what the... Okay, so now I'm back into the kitchen. I had to pause it because I didn't know what floor plan it was, but I'm going to tell you the floor plan is a Georgian. It's a totally approximately of 2,888 square feet. It's really roomy, really big. It's on a slab, and it's in Flowery Branch. So I would say just do your research. Let me know if you have any questions, any concerns, and I would love to talk to you. And I'm going to show you the floor plan here. So this is the Georgian. 5 bedroom, 3 bathrooms. And they also have an optional of a 3rd car garage. It's a little bit more, but this is what you see. So if you have any questions, any concerns, I would love to talk to you. My name is Cindy Presgraves with Cindy's Realty Group by Virtual Properties Realty here in the state of Georgia. And talk to you soon.